a great choice today with the 2018 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, 8 speakers, center armrest, trip computer, power windows, compass, security system, fog lights, convertible, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.